From this winter. Believe it or not, they've been hardy enough to last, and they've actually gotten kind of sweet. So there's a couple left. If somebody wants to try one, you're more than welcome. We'll see a couple as we go.
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry. They don't feed you enough on the Edge Princess? There you go. So what I like to point out to people is how hardy you have to be to survive in Alaska. You know, these plants and animals have adapted to be able to survive in extreme conditions. You know, -30 temperatures, howling winds, 10 feet of snow, and this plant still has berries on it. You know, to me that's just proof of survival and what these plants do, and just the nutrients that we can get from them. Right next to it here as you walk by, can you guys all see from back there? Yes. So I'm pointing out the berry, and then right here we have a new spruce tree, and this is a little